Hi, I'm Hblack and today I'm going to be talking about binaural beats. If you suffer from seizures, heart conditions, a stroke, or mental health issues, watch this video at your own risk, as listening to binaural beats can be a risk for people with these disorders. Background. So recently I've started to listen to binaural beats as an alternative to music, because there are no lyrics or complex sounds, which allows me to focus on what I'm doing. I've been using it as background music for the past week and have seen claims in the titles of the YouTube videos like super intelligence, or that it could cure insomnia or depression, and even that it can do some Joe Rogan shit. I was finding the music very relaxing, but I wanted to know more about it. So I did the most thorough search I could, stopping at nothing, which is to say I combed through all the articles, meta-analyses and individual papers I could find on the first page of my Google search. Explanation. The music is called binaural beats because both ears are required to produce the effect. So you must listen to the songs with both head/earphones in stereo. The effect is created as two sine waves of different frequencies are picked up from each ear, creating a third beat with its frequency equal to the difference in the frequency of the initial two. This is because the confusion in the hearing section of your brain allows you to hear or perceive a very low frequency which only exists in your head. This third beat is the mechanism which can supposedly have two effects on the brain, one being entrainment, which means that the activity of your brainwaves recorded using an electroencephalogram can become similar to a frequency from an external source, for example, your brainwaves matching the frequency of a repetitive tapping noise. The other being phase synchronization, which is said to increase the synchronization of phase between the different parts of the brain, allowing for better communication via the neural assemblies, although this theory is only correlative. Effects. The effects I have found include reduced stress and anxiety, increases in focus, increases in concentration, increasing my IQ by 22 points, a 3% increase in a 2016 test, increases in motivation, completely healing my chakras, improved confidence, better long-term memory, huge heightened muscle growth because of pituitary gland stimulation, deeper meditation, better sleep, vastly improved my natural healing speeds, enhanced psychometry readings, mood change, increased creativity, getting super high dude, and lastly, the potential for demonic possession. I'm now quickly going to go through my sources and show the most important stuff I found. Source 1 is a cool noise generator I've been using to produce the various binaural beats you have likely been hearing in the back of the video. It's pretty cool. Source 2 is an article that shows these songs may decrease anxiety, but the research is not complete yet. Source 3 is about someone who is trying to use binaural beats to simulate the brainwaves when people take drugs or have pleasurable experiences in a legal and safe way, while documenting their experiences. They say they felt something, but it wasn't the same as the high received from taking the drugs or having the experiences. Source 4 is about phase synchronization during binaural songs, in which they measure the power received from the EEG tests. They say that during these tests the power decreased more often than increased, and their data suggests that beat stimulation offers a non-invasive approach for changing the frequency of brainwaves. Source 5 cautions people with seizures or heart issues that binaural beats could be bad for them, although a man named Mr. Leeds states that in his 25 years in the field he has never heard of a single case of the sort. In Source 6, a man starts his article strangely with the quote, "The next time you overhear someone say, 'I've had a brainwave,' ask them which one." Very weird. In Source 7 they state many benefits of binaural beats, like scoring 10 times better on a working memory test and scoring 23 points above a previous IQ test, 33 for those with an IQ below 100. They also say there are significant improvements to reading and arithmetic, as well as reducing the stress before a surgery by 33%, whatever that means. These numbers are huge and obviously unrealistic. Source 8 is a meta-analysis which states that binaural beats can reduce anxiety and improve pain tolerance. Source 9 cites many studies from the 2000s in which people say they feel less anxious as a result of binaural beats. Source 10 study suggests no memory or brainwave enhancement. Source 11 study suggests binaural beats could be used as a form of sedative to relax a person before an operation. Source 11 is the 2015 review referenced earlier. Source 13 is about a guy who felt that binaural beats were annoying. He preferred music to them, and he felt little to no difference from them in terms of sleep or relaxation. Source 14 was about how binaural beats may have been a way to communicate with devils, for demonic possession, but has since gone down unfortunately. I wish that I'd saved it well. Conclusion. Binaural beats don't appear to have major effects on intelligence, healing, or demonic possession, but it may be possible that they could be used as a form of treatment for anxiety, a way to stimulate specific brainwaves in a non-intrusive way, or as a potential treatment for insomnia, although your experience may vary. So anyway, I'm going to keep listening to this stuff so that I can purify my chakras, grow 3 feet taller, increase my IQ to genius levels, and brain blast my enemies until they disintegrate. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed the video, leave a like and a comment.